Today we're going to show you how to change the filters on your K5 Kinetico reverse osmosis system. In order to do that, it's very simple. Just going to open a cabinet here and we're going to turn off the main supply to the system. You'll find typically a gray valve, something like this, with a green lever on it coming off of the main supply, feeding to the kitchen faucet, which is where we've got the feed in for these systems. Once you turn that valve off, go ahead and turn on your Kinetico tap. That'll depressurize it. Once you've done that, to minimize water coming out of the system, just close the valve here on the tank. And the way we install these for folks is to be able to pull these systems right out and be able to service it here on the kitchen floor. Each cover comes off just by pulling on the side. It's on with magnets and little feet. And once you pull the cover off, I like to get me just a couple of paper towels. It's a minimal amount of water. I'll just take my paper towels like this, fold them up here, and slide it under the filters. You're going to take the filter, grab hold of it, and just quarter turn that filter to the left, just like anything else, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Pull down on that filter. You take your new filter, unwrap it. They're color-coded. You can't mess it up, as the filter in the front here is an orange filter. You're going to line up these earmarks on the filter there with the gaps that are exposed here. And you're just going to simply line it up. You're going to push up and quarter turn back to the right. The filter is installed. The filter in the back changes the same way. I'll just move my paper towel this way. Again, turn it to the left. Quarter turn, pull down. Take your new filter. We've got a little bit of water here. Paper towel stops up most of that. Just line up the ears. There's under the indicator here, there's a little stem that you're going to line up the top of the filter with. And that'll reset the meter on the K5. So just line up the ears once again. Push up. Quarter turn. You're back in business. Take your paper towel. Clean up any remaining water there. Just take your covers, put them back on. Before we put that back in, it's always a good idea just to pressure test everything. Just go ahead and turn the main valve back on. Turn it on nice and slow till you hear the water flow. And that water's flow will subside. You'll hear it minimize. Then you'll go ahead and turn on the tank. I left my faucet open. It'll purge any air out up here. Once the air continues to minimize, you go ahead and close that off. This inspector has done a good job. And I see no residual water there. Just put your cover back on, put it back up in. And keep an eye on the gauge for the next filter change.